What if you could level up your trading, boost earnings potentially up to $6,000 monthly, and make it all effortless? No tech skills, funnels, or traffic headaches. Hey, one-clickers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 4 candles formula, a game-changing strategy to boost your trading profits. No complex setups, just a 3-day live masterclass starting May 5th, where you'll learn how to maximize your trading income with a simple and powerful approach. Here's why 4 candles formula is a must for traders or anyone looking to earn an online passive income with on autopilot. No tech hassles, no coding, no fancy tools. It's made for traders at any level. Forget funnels. Focus directly on trading, not marketing distractions. Boost your earnings. Use a simple strategy to maximize profits with fewer roadblocks. Live 3-day masterclass. Get hands-on training starting May 5th. Learn in real time from Sha Donahoe. Tailored for all traders, whether new or experienced. This formula works for you. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up for the 3-day live masterclass. Step 2. Learn the 4 candles formula with Sha Donahoe. Step 3. Apply the formula to boost your trades and earnings. The 4 candles formula masterclass is just $97 for 3 days of live training. Plus, you can ask for a complete refund within 30 days if you don't see the promised results in your trading portfolio. Is the 4 candles formula worth it? If you're serious about trading smarter and earning more, absolutely. Don't miss out. The masterclass starts on 5th of May. Grab your spot now. Find the link in the description.